Hi there, it's Katie from Twinkl. Let's have a look at our Twinkl Phonics Level 5 flashcards and actions.
Use these Twinkl Phonics Level 5 flashcards to help children practice their letter to sound correspondence. Each card uses a helpful picture to help reinforce children's recognition of each sound. The Twinkl Phonics scheme explores sound orally, visually and physically so that children learn an action which is associated with each sound. Let's take a look at how we say each of these sounds along with the action that corresponds with each flashcard.
Put both hands calmly to your chest. A. A. Make a circle with the fingers of each hand and place them together to sign the letter B for boy. Oi. Oi. Pretend your fist is the knot of a tie and put it on your chest. I. I. Flutter your hand like a leaf blowing around on a tree. E. E. Hold out both hands flat in front of you and pretend to blow out the candles on a cake. A. A. Slide your arm down and across in front of you. I. I. Touch a bone in your forearm. O. O. Make a cube with your hands. U. U. Pretend to play a flute with both hands. U. U. Pretend to hold a trapeze bar above your head. E. E. Point to your mouth. Ow. Ow. Pretend one clenched fist is an acorn and cup it in your other hand. A. A. Make a set of balance scales with your arms and pivot your elbows up and down until they are equal. E. E. Show your teeth and claws like a lion. I. I. Stack your hands and turn one above the other to make a hotel. O. O. Place your hands together on your forehead like a unicorn horn. U. U. Pretend to hold a chef's bowl in one hand and mix it with a spoon in the other. Shh. Shh. Open and close each hand in turn like lights flashing on a Christmas tree. Place one fist on top of the other to sign the letter G for girl. Hold your arms and upper body very still in a statue pose. U. U. Hold one hand flat like paper as you pretend to glide a glue stick along it with the other. U. U. Pretend to screw your finger into your hand. U. U. Pretend one hand is a bowl of stew and scoop some out using your other hand as a spoon. U. U. Move your hands in a sunny arc above your head and wriggle your fingers like sunbeams. E. E. Move your hand back and forth in a soaring motion. Or. Or. Flutter both of your hands downwards like two leaves falling in autumn. Or. Or. Pretend to pull a window wide open. O. O.
Point to your big toe. O. O.
Pretend to hold a steering wheel and drive a car. W. W. Pretend to make tall buildings in a city with your forearms. S. S. Point to a gem on top of your ring. J. J. Make a leaping dolphin with your forearm. Pretend to slice a loaf of bread. Make a shield by crossing both arms in front of you. E. E. Make a witch's hat on your head with your hands. Ch. Ch.
Point to your bare foot. Air. Air.
Pretend to hold and bite into a pear. Air. Air. Pretend to bite into an apple core made with your finger. Or.
You can find a wealth of resources on the Twinkl Phonics webpage. We hope you find this video useful and see you again soon.